Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to use multiple audio outputs simultaneously on a Windows 10 PC. By default, Windows 10 does not allow you to play audio through multiple outputs at a time. However, it is possible to share audio with others or listen on different devices simultaneously to use multiple audio outputs at the same time on Windows 11 PC, Windows 10 PC. First, open the settings app. For that, click on this one start button, then click on settings. Now click on system. In the left sidebar, click on sound. On the right, you will find under related links sound control panel. Click on this one link. Under sound window, select your primary output device, such as in my case it is a speakers, built-in speaker. Just right click on it and select here set as default device. Now go to this one recording tab and on free space right click and check this one option, show disabled devices. This will show a stereo mix. In case it is disabled, select it, right click it on it and choose here enable option. Again go to playback tab and note down the secondary output device you want to listen to. In my case, my secondary output device is Infinity Club's Mini Hands-Free AG Audio. I have noted it down. Now again go to this one recording tab, select a stereo mix, right click on it and choose here properties option. Now switch to this one listen tab and check this one option, listen to this device. Now click on this one drop down menu that says playback through this device. Click on this one drop down menu and here you need to select this secondary device. In my example it is headphones Infinity Club Mini Stereo. This one headset Infinity. This one is my secondary output device that I have noted it down. I have just selected it. After selecting this one, click on this one apply button, then click on this one OK button. Finally click on this one OK button. Now close everything and reboot your Windows 10 PC. After that, whenever you will play any audio or video on your PC and in case your both of the output devices is connected to your Windows 10 PC, you will see audio from both of your devices simultaneously. That's all about this video. Thanks for watching this video.